front of me is OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Then tap on System Settings, Keyboard and Input Method, Gboard, and finally Text Correction. Lastly, just scroll down and click on this switcher next to Auto Correction. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!